No, this is not Homer Simpson. It's not fat, it's muscle. I'm telling you, erase as many useless lines as you can. Because you're gonna want to be able to trace the pencil in ink as much as you can. This has to be as correct as possible. Now I think right here, this right here is a settle, but with such a slight change between them, I think just another single frame, just on 2s, maybe even 3s. Depends on the timing. Now, this time, since he's slowing to a stop, it's going to be very close to the second frame. This will also be a chance for this motion blur to settle. A little fix for consistency. Just a little of that blur left. At some point, you can fill in the blanks in the in-between without actually seeing everything, just because you know what a character is shaped like. The toes seem to be shifting, but I'm not gonna bother with that. Just for the sake of this lecture. I think there should be a little bit of a pause before he actually grabs the boulder. Now, perhaps just one in between is enough for this space here. Actually, with this wild change, let's put in 2. And I'm very glad this came up, because something Tonika Pantoja taught me about more fully framed acceleration is first draw a precise in-between in the middle. Just position them right in the middle. Might have to start out rough with this one, more or less. With such a drastic change. I was almost gonna do a little breakdown in the middle with for the halfway point between clenched fists and open fingers, but this seems like a somewhat smooth transition, just a straight smooth opening of fingers. And yes, this is the start of the motion blur. And now, we're gonna put a little in between at the start of the motion. Yeah, since we're accelerating from a start. And always move back and forth in your frames to make sure they smoothly transition into each other. So what have we got? Alright. I'm gonna address inking real quick after this short break.